Let's go.
Freedom. Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing. I know you like what you see and you want to know who's that girl. Child, all you gotta do is stay tuned. But before we get into Miss Thing's sneaky deaky details, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So every time I upload something like this, you know what I'm saying, you will go ahead and get notified. All right, come on, let's just jump into this. Alright guys, so I got another Outre baddie for you. Her name is Dione. She's sounding very French and very foo-foo, like, you know, very sophisticated. Like, anyway, Dione is from the Melted Hairline collection. I got her in the color DRFF2 Ginger Brown, and she's 20 inches. Her card reads, she is soft HD lace, 5-inch deep parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band for secure fit, natural baby hairs, and redesigned comfort fit ear contour. This is what Miss Dione looks like. It's very pretty. Stock card in the back shows you front, and back, and the different colors that she comes in, and the inside of the stock card pretty much gives you all her sneaky deaky details. She comes in an array of beautiful colors, and I mean an array of beautiful colors. I mean, even this DRFF Ginger Brown, perfect for fall. Like, she is giving, ooh, okay, ooh. So let's go ahead and get into Miss Thing's basic details, shan't we? She is a standard wig. Most of these wigs come all alike. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. She has an elastic band in the back that I did not use because she was kind of snug and my head is big. So I was just like, ooh, with the elastic band, it just was too tight. Too tight. She definitely came with the baby hairs. As you can see, I tried to lay it down as best as I can. I did what I could. Child, HD lace was HD lacing. It wasn't hard for me to blend her. I used my tinting spray to do that. Even spray to lay her down. Also, she is definitely heat safe friendly. She already came pre-plucked, so I don't think I plucked her. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I might have. The sideburns, yes, she actually comes all the way down here. I didn't put the extra hair down here to the little swoops. I think I did enough swoops in the front. I need to go ahead and do extra. Did she tangle? Yes, she had some tangles in her. I brushed her out, but she did have some tangles. Did she shed? She definitely shedded. She comes up to my boobies here, and I'm about 5'7". I'll show you what the back of her looked like. She sheds, she tangles. She is big head friendly, I would say. Don't use the adjustable straps. You don't need that. She doesn't have too much of a shine to her, but if this bothers you, then dry shampoo and call it a day. but I think she looks really nice. Her texture is nice. She's nice and soft. Color is amazing. Y'all see that? The one thing I can definitely say about Outre or Outre, whatever, however you pronounce it, they know how to blend a wig. They know how to blend colors on a wig, cause baby, she is beautiful. She is. Let's get into my thoughts on Miss Dione. Where would I wear her to? Miss Dione is an actual pretty wig. I wore her for my birthday this year. Libra gang. Happy birthday, by the way, to all my Libras out there. You know, we do it the best. It is what it is. Anyway, I wore her for my birthday, but in all actuality, I think Miss Dione could be an everyday wig. If you work in an office, she's very cute, you know, very formal wearish type of wig. So she could be an everyday wig. She can definitely be an everyday wig. Now, would I purchase her again? I'm not gonna lie to you. When I put Dione on the first time, I was just like, she's not gonna be my birthday wig. But I had already cut the lace, and I was just like, I might as well just go ahead and do what it do and just make it happen. And I like her, but I don't like her. So would I buy her again? I don't think so. I love the way she looks. I love her curls. I like the color of it and everything, but something about her throws me off a little. I don't know what it is, honestly. I really don't know. I don't know if it's because of the way she's curled. I cannot put my hands on why I really would not purchase her, but Dione in the Ginger Brown is going to probably be the only one in my collection. If I sell her, then I sell her, and I don't think I'll be too mad, but I don't know. I think it's because of the curl pattern. Like, okay, so here you see the nice little flip that goes, but then it's just curls. Like, I don't know. It just doesn't. Something about her. It's something about that girl that I don't really like. I don't know what it is, and I just can't. I'm sorry. I just can't put my finger on her. But her color is beautiful. Like, I had her on my mannequin, and every time I walk by, I'm like, damn, those curls is actually really nice. Like, I like the way she looks, but I don't. I like her, and I would probably use her on an everyday basis if I was going on a job interview or something like that to look, you know, because she has a real sophisticated kind of look, but she is not a wig that I think I will purchase again. That's just my opinion. I love you, Outre, but that is just my opinion. She is just, I don't know. For me, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Does she look good on me? Doesn't she look good on me? Am I right? Is the curls doing too much? Because that's what I feel like. It's just going too many different directions, and it's not coming together the way it's supposed to come together, if that makes sense. Watch my videos. I truly do appreciate you guys. You guys have no idea what this means to me. I am trying to work hard to stay consistent and give you video after video. So yeah, just stay tuned, and thanks for watching your girl. All right, bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.